These are our mini closets that aren't in the wall, because apparently in Israel they don't do that, because it counts as an extra room if you have a walk-in closet. So here's our dresser, drawers, whatever you want to call them. There's our map of Israel, which me and my roommates circle where we've been every week. It's really cool. It's building up a lot. So this is her side of the room with her curtains, my curtains. Cute, yeah? Looks like a real dorm room. Oh, and don't forget our comfy rugs. Oh, and you see my shoes. Okay, so I'll take you to the bathrooms. So this is the claustrophobic bathroom. It's actually really small and all it has is a toilet. So that's fun. And right next door is number 2. It has everything we need, all the necessities. It's not the nicest. No marble floors, no hardwood floors. These are our floors, and I know they look dirty, but we clean it, and it's permanent. Okay, so that's our apartment, and now I'm walking back towards the door because I have to leave. But I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you later.